Check your blind spot, don't panic, breathe. Be a winner. This is a life-changing event. Be positive.
One more time, this time with the commentary. So, 5-point check. Steering us out at 45 degrees, start bringing the car back round. Trying to get the left wing mirror alongside the centre of the car or the middle of the door. Stop. Into reverse gear. Again, 5-point check. Safe to go. One full turn to the left. Not full lock, one turn. Looking around. Check your right blind spot, nothing coming in. Coming round, we're looking for 45 degrees, approximately 45 degrees. As we approach, which is about there, full lock to the right. While we're driving, try and keep the car moving. Check your left mirror, check your right mirror, check your left mirror. So it's the left mirror which is going to get us parallel with the curb. Once we're parallel, straighten the car up. Once we can see the tyres, the car in front, about 2 foot of tarmac, stop the car. That's it complete.